Tonight, I am coming to you from the beautiful Hanover, Illinois at a Harvest Host. It's our first time staying at a winery, and we picked one with the funnest name. We are at Fergedaboudit Winery, and it is stinking cute here. When you first arrive, you'll be greeted either by the owners who aren't here today, or you'll be greeted by Bob, who's the manager of the place and keeps things running when the owners aren't here. And it's super friendly here. Absolutely gorgeous views. We're going to be showing you a lot of those views as well. And they have a little restaurant where you can get some pizza. And Jeff and I tried their homemade pizza. Very, very good.
Or buy bottles of wine.
Or you can buy a lot of bottles of wine. They also have a wine slushy machine. And I like my wine sweet, so I've been really enjoying their slushies. They even have a cute little cup that's insulated that you can get your slushie in, and you can keep. Every time you bring it back, your refills are only $9. And so I've had a couple of refills. So
we'll see how this interview goes.
Yeah, we'll see how the interview goes. But I tell you, absolutely delicious, and the pizza was wonderful too. Hopefully Jeff will show us a pizza of the pizzas on here as well.
Yeah.
You got it. All right. And Jeff and I, we ordered 2 pizzas, and that was a mistake. One pizza would be just fine. But hey, pizza makes great leftovers. We'll probably have pizza for breakfast in the morning.
What's better in the morning than piece of cold pizza?
Exactly. Well, Bob, can you tell us, starting off with Fergedaboudit. How did they come up with this name and the story of starting this winery?
Well, the owner's name is Rosario Bruno. He grew up in Chicago on Taylor Street. They now live in St. Charles, so they're weekend warriors.
Are they Italian?
Yes.
Okay, I thought so.
But when he sold his business, he wanted a place out here in Joe Davis County, south-facing on a hill. I think you'll see we found that. And he just wanted to grow grapes and make wine. Well, that was 25 years ago. Well, about 12 years ago, he had more wine than he could give away. And the family said, you got to quit making it or start selling it. So they opened up this tasting room 12 years ago. So this is our 12th anniversary actually in 2 weeks. But he needed to name it. His favorite saying is, forget about it. So that's what he named it.
All right. And he has there's some really interesting names of their wines and some really super duper cute wine labels too. Could you share some of the wines here with us?
Yeah, we got a couple. Since they're Italian, we got the Bada Bing and the Bada Boom.
All right.
Bada Bing is dry, Bada Boom is sweet. They're reds.
All right.
They tend to keep things family name. Got one called Vino de Poppy. Poppy is the owner's nickname that's what the kids call him, is Poppy. But probably the two that get the most are the Walk in the Clouds, which is like a Sauvignon Blanc, but that is Vicky, is the manager owner now of those are her 2 kids and dog.
Oh, that's so special.
And then we got 3 Blondes, which is a caricature of the 2 daughters and the mother.
Oh.
But it's also made out of our 3 white grapes. So there's 2 names for the 3 Blondes. So those are staples we should have most of the time. Otherwise, we're an Italian dry red vineyard. As you saw, most of our wines are on the dry side. But we do have some sweets. And
you even have a sweet port too.
Yes. The port's very popular. This is actually the label for it. I don't have Poppy's Dolce Vino.
Oh, look how cute!
So that's the owner and his dog, Sugar.
Wow, you can't get more Italian than that. Look at that.
And as you saw, we're dog friendly.
Yeah. So when we first came in, there was a married couple, and they had 2 of their dogs with them, and they were just sitting and chilling and enjoying. They were doing a wine tasting where they had 3 different wines that they were trying out, and they also had you have like a cheese spread.
Yeah, we do
cheese boards.
Cheese boards, antipasta. In the summer, we have pasta salads. We got a chocolate flight if you like chocolate.
Ooh,
So we do
all
that.
right. And they also have some homemade cookies. How'd you like your cookie, Jeff?
Oh, it was delicious.
Great.
You're going to get me another one?
Maybe. And there's a lot of cute things in their shop that you can buy. So just in case you needed a place to spend the night that's safe and beautiful, and you were coming in this direction, but if you don't drink, they have the softest t-shirts and sweatshirts here. They have lots of fun little signs and jewelry, all kinds of different things that you could purchase in their gift shop as well.
But feel free, go out, look
Yeah.
around, go through you'll see grapes on the vines right now. There are little BB grapes out there, so go
Oh,
take
sweet.
some. You know.
Yeah.
Let's go do that.
So let's go
we
take
do
a
make
tour.
wine out of those grapes.
Wow.
That is so awesome.
So enjoy your evening, and we've been members of a harvest host now. I think this is our 6th or 7th year.
Oh, so you've been doing it for quite a while then. And they take vehicles of almost any size. If you're super duper long,
You
it'd
better
be a little harder.
experienced.
You got to be an experienced driver. We're in a van RV, so we're fine. We're fine. On the app, it said I think that you could take up to 45 feet.
Yeah,
but it's tricky
it's
if you're
tricky.
a 45
You gotta
foot.
remember, we're all hill.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of hill coming here.
And can
I-
you do same-day requests?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, they can even do same day requests. We made this request yesterday, and today's July 2nd, so this is a very busy week. When I was looking at campgrounds, they were all sold out, but I was able to get here
Really
right
only one
away.
tonight.
Yeah.
We have one tomorrow night, and I think 2 Saturday night.
So yeah. Very nice and quiet. We're going to have the place to ourselves. And there's a lot of really pretty areas outside that Jeff and I can sit and enjoy our wine and maybe play some cards or a board game. So yeah.
Let's take a look.
Great. Yeah, let's take a look. This really is a Harvest Host dream location. The restaurant closes at 5 o'clock. And so from 5 o'clock for the whole rest of the night into the morning, we have the place to ourselves. Bob is cleaning up in the kitchen, but he'll be leaving shortly. And he said we have the patio area here we can hang out. We can hang out at the gazebo and the table down there by the gazebo as well. And this Harvest Host also has something that most don't have.
What?
He shared that they've been adding on to their building, and they just completed 2 bathrooms, and the door leading to that bathroom he's gonna leave unlocked for us, so we can use the bathroom in the middle of the night instead of the bathroom in our van if we want to. That's really nice. We like to call those free flushes because we have a Lavio dry flush toilet in our Embassy RV, and it's about a couple of bucks a flush. So I use it just for emergencies in the middle of the night, but I won't even have to use it because we can use the bathrooms right here. After our delicious dinner and wine slushy last night, we played cards on their pretty patio, and then later we marveled at how many stars you can see out here. There's no light pollution. We were able to see the Milky Way. It was so beautiful. And this morning, we woke up to such a pretty sunrise. There's even a little bit of fog down in the valley. It was so, so pretty and very peaceful. Last night, we were the only people here. It was so special. Do I recommend Fergedaboudit Winery for the wine? Yes. And do I recommend Fergedaboudit Winery for the food and the fellowship? Yes. But best part is being able to spend the night here. It was so special. And they do weddings here too. So if you need a wedding venue or a venue for a special party, they have that capability. And if you just need a quiet place to spend the night in pure beauty of nature, come on down to Fergedaboudit Winery in Hanover, Illinois. Okay, everybody, hold on to your anchor moments and make it a great day. Bye-bye.
Ba-ba-da-ba-da.